Welcome to Taylor Sinise Yoga and Fitness. My name is Taylor. Today we are breaking down our Warrior Two posture. So Warrior Two is another one of those powerful foundational postures in which a lot of variations come from. So first I'm going to get you into the posture, and then I'll give you a few modifications and adjustments so that you can make this posture work in your body. Warrior Two is a split leg posture. However, it's executed facing the side of the room. So you'll be facing the long edge side of your mat. Widen your legs. Put a bend in your front knee. Once again, you want that knee to be stacked right on top of your ankle. That just keeps your knee joint really safe. And your back heel is relaxed onto the mat. So you press through the outer edge of that foot. That allows you to get a lengthening and a stretching in your back leg. This time you have both hip bones facing the side of the room or the side of your mat. Lift through your center. That protects your lower back. And engage your tush muscles, so engage your glute muscles. Then reach your arms out long and gaze over your front hand. That's your Warrior Two posture. So let's talk about some options and some modifications here. Remember that option that you can always bring your hands together at heart center? That helps remove the strain and pressure that you may feel in these shoulder joints. Then another option is to shorten your stance. So step your back foot in and lessen the bend that you have in that front leg. Those are your Warrior Two options and modifications. Warrior Two is a big posture that you'll see over and over and over again in our flows. And you'll see lots of variations that come from your Warrior Two, such as your reverse warrior, and your extended side angle. All right, y'all. Try these options on in your body, and I'll meet you on your mat for our slow flow and power flow classes.